Hey there, fellow high-ticket affiliate marketers and online entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, the art of choosing a suitable domain name and hosting for your high-ticket affiliate marketing venture. I'm Ingrid, and in this video, we'll explore the vital role these decisions play in your success. So, if you're ready to lay the groundwork for a thriving affiliate marketing empire, let's dive in and make the right choices to skyrocket your commissions. But before we unlock the secrets to selecting the perfect domain name and hosting, let's understand why these elements are absolute game changers for high-ticket affiliate marketing. Let's get started. Point 1. Crafting a brand-centric domain name. Your domain name is the digital gateway to your high-ticket affiliate marketing brand. Choose a domain name that reflects your niche, resonates with your audience, and is easy to remember. A brand-centric domain name not only boosts your credibility but also makes it easier for potential customers to find and trust you. Point 2. Targeting high-value keywords. Incorporate high-value keywords into your domain name to optimize your website's search engine visibility. High-ticket products often have specific keywords associated with them, and including these in your domain can improve your chances of ranking higher in relevant searches. This targeted approach drives more qualified traffic to your site. Point 3. Choosing reliable hosting for high-performance. High-ticket affiliate marketing demands high-performance hosting. Look for a hosting provider with robust features, ample resources, and excellent uptime to ensure your website runs smoothly. A fast and reliable website enhances user experience, leading to better engagement and increased conversion rates. Point 4. Prioritizing security and data protection. Security is paramount in high-ticket affiliate marketing, where valuable transactions take place. Select a hosting provider that prioritizes security, offers SSL certificates, and protects your data from potential threats. A secure website builds trust with your audience, encouraging them to make high-ticket purchases with confidence. Point 5. Scalability for future growth. Your high-ticket affiliate marketing journey is bound to grow and evolve. Choose a hosting plan that allows for easy scalability as your website traffic and resource needs increase. A scalable hosting solution ensures your website can handle spikes in traffic without compromising performance. And there you have it, the essential steps to choosing a suitable domain name and hosting for your high-ticket affiliate marketing success. Remember, a brand-centric domain, targeted keywords, reliable hosting, security measures, and scalability are the pillars of your affiliate empire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow affiliate marketers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips to supercharge your affiliate commissions. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, make the right choices, build with confidence, and watch your high-ticket affiliate marketing dreams come true. Take care and see you soon.